also. And how do you learn English? Because you can speak very well now. I can see, because you have lots of experience in now. Because how long you have been learning English?
Actually, as you know that everybody like who is studying, everybody is studying since childhood English language,
Yeah, yeah,
but they don't know how to speak. Okay,
yeah. Yes, yes.
actually I'm also learning English since childhood, but I didn't know how to speak.
Yeah.
Say major point, I started speaking English 4 months back.
Okay, okay. Actually, since our childhood, we think that English is a subject, brother.
I'm doing well, thanks for asking me. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, and it is the starting of the day, so far so good. Let's see what happens after. So how, yeah, and so we are meeting first time. So could you introduce yourself, brother?
Sure, why not? Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. This is Tipu Thakur, and I'm a student of BA English Literature. I'm from Jharkhand, which was in Godda district. Okay, and as well, I am a running YouTube channel. Okay, and if I talk about my self strength power, okay, I am I am very creative and hardworking person. Thank you
Yes.
for us.
Yeah, this is really great, brother. I really, because I have seen your videos in 1 week, because and I enjoyed, because you have not done any conversation. I think, have you done any conversation with any tutors?
Any tutor? Yeah,
Yeah.
I have done one session with ENG Talkie Tutor.
Oh,
Okay, ENG
okay,
Talkie
okay,
Tutor. Yeah, it was my
okay.
first session before 4 months back. Okay, I
Oh,
have done the session 4 months back.
after seeing some video, I got to understand that you are so hardworking, because I have seen. I think you have uploaded almost 200 videos on your channel.
Yeah, I uploaded around 200 video, but
Yeah.
I started this channel in 2020. Okay, but at that time I was not any idea what kind of content we should upload on my channel. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got everything.
Oh,
So
but
that's why.
in my previous time I have to work on my channel. Then actually in that time I was pursuing my in 12. Okay,
Yes.
and
And
in 12 we have to learn so many things. That's why I was not able to upload video. And now before 4 months I started uploading related to our English conversation videos.
yes, yes. And you are in graduation. So how long it takes to complete your graduation? Is it your
Okay,
second year or third year?
it is my first year. Okay, and here in my Jharkhand state, here runs running semester system. Okay,
Okay,
semester.
semester. So
I don't know about other state, but in my state it takes around 3 year. But now after in 2023 onwards, it will take around 4 year. If you want to complete your graduation, it will take 4 year. But
okay,
my session will be run for 3 year.
okay. So actually, you are studying now on English literature. So how your experience? How do you think about English? So could you why you choose English to study?
Okay, yeah. Really very fantastic question, and it is like mesmerizing question for me. Okay,
Ye-
actually, yeah, and actually, I belong to Hindi medium. Okay, and I
Yes.
did my schooling with Hindi medium. After completing my 12th, then I thought, how can I learn this language and how can I speak English? That's why I
Yes.
opted after completing 12th in graduation English honors. And then I started to learn English. Then I started to understanding what is the importance of English.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
And
So that.
mm,
Yes.
after some time, then I joined one offline classes. Okay, offline classes. Then I started to learning this language. After some time I uh, left from the coaching and I started learning from the YouTube, from the online
Yeah. Yeah.
Facility, you can say.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And because I think you are not using any platform to converse or communicate with others. I think in paid platforms. So, and how do you learn English? Because you can speak very well now. I can see because you have lots of experience now. Because how long you have been learning English?
Actually, as you know that everybody like who is studying, everybody is studying since childhood English language,
Yeah, yeah,
but they don't know how to speak. Okay,
yeah. Yes, yes.
actually, I am also learning English since childhood, but I didn't know how to speak.
Yeah.
I say major point. I started speaking English uh, 4 months back.
Okay, okay. Actually, since our childhood, we think that English is a subject, so we
Yeah,
always focus on score because we
it's,
think that I have to score better in English. We never think about speaking.
yeah.
So that's really great. And in this time, I have seen lots of video. You are doing lots of group conversation. And who are they? Are they your subscriber or your friend or anyone?
Okay, those all are my subscriber. Okay, and
Yeah,
as you know that Montu Kiro, his name. Okay, who
yeah.
created one group on Skype application. Okay, I have also on my group. Okay, but actually they Montu Kiro start the group discussion in the evening time. That's why I joined in the group.
Okay,
So
okay.
I joined in the group in the evening time.
Okay, okay, that's great. And what's the I have a question that gonna to ask you, but currently I forgot the question.
Hmm.
So if you have anything, you can ask me. Then if I recognize the question, I will ask you. Okay?
So why not? Actually, you were asking to you were asking to me. That's why I was not asking to you any question. And
Okay,
okay,
okay, okay.
I'm really passionate to ask some question to you. And tell me. Actually, I know about yourself. Your name. Actually, I follow your channel. Okay.
Thank
Mm.
you. Thank you so
Tell
much.
me tell me something about your related to your English speaking journey.
Yeah, actually, brother, I am really passionate to learn English language because for me, English is a beautiful language, and so I think that in my English will help me in my career and in
Hmm.
my hobbies also because I love to travel, and as well
Hmm.
as if I want to achieve my career, then I have to know English. That's why I am learning English,
Hmm.
because just a second, because since my childhood I studied every language in my mother tongue, and
Hmm.
in this time I live in a village. So if I want to achieve my career, then I think that if I want to achieve my career, then I have to know English because my career plan is to do everything in English version. So
Hmm.
if I want to achieve my career, then I have to know English. And as
Yeah.
well as if I want to visit any other city, any other country, then I have to know English. That's why I'm learning English. And I
Hmm.
never think that and to learn English since my childhood. But 4 months back, me too. 4 months back, I thought that I have to learn speaking English. That's why I'm learning English, and that's all, brother. That's my reason to learn English.
Actually, I am watching your lots of video on YouTube. You are talking with the tutor. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. I think you have taken subscription on any platform.
Yeah, in this time, I am using for 4 platforms now,
Mhm.
because I'm not continue on every platform. Sometimes I use but I choose one or two platform, and
Mhm.
in this time I'm using clapingo, Englishiary, and inktalki.
Ian
In
talk.
those two, because sometimes when the subscription of clapingo has finished, then I subscribe another application because I want to use every platform. Those are really helpful, and that's why I'm using this type of.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Thank you. Your
yeah.
related to your English journey. And one
uh,
thing. And what's your future plan? What do you want to achieve in your future?
Brother, in this time, every learner is scared of mathematics because they don't like to solve mathematics. That's
Hmm.
why I want to do something for them, because in future I want to teach mathematics in funny and easy way. That's my one of my dream. I'm not I can't say that it is my dream, it's my target and goal, you can say, because I want
Yes.
to, definitely I will make mathematics funny and easy, and
Hmm.
let's see what happens in future. And as well
Yes.
as I want to crack JEE exam also, join
JE. Yes.
exam. Yeah,
That's it.
that's my dream.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
I want to ask you, brother, because you were studying from hostel, am I right?
Yeah. No, I'm talking now. I'm connecting with you from the hostel.
Okay. So how do you manage your time? Because you are running YouTube channel, you are studying, as well as you are you live with your friends, or you live in a particular room, personal room?
No, as you know that if you are living at the hostel, you cannot live alone. You cannot live any personal room. Here in my room, they, mm, we three all of us are living.
Okay. And how are the roommate? Are they your become friend, or are you facing any problem with them, or you can do anything?
No, actually, brother, I'm facing some problem. I have already mentioned it. Okay, and every time I cannot talk to with anyone. Okay.
Okay, I got it. Because that's why I'm asking, because to manage time and to because there are noise problem also to talk with others and lots of things, because if you live with others, then they will not sacrifice for you. So
Hmm.
that's why I am asking, because you told me that because yesterday you told me that you are in hostel now, that's why you can't join. That's how I thought that he's in hostel, how he's manage his time. That's why I am asking you.
Yeah,
So
actually, I you know that I cannot speak loudly here. Okay,
oh,
my hostel warden, started to
okay.
shouting on me. If why are you talking loudly?
Oh, yeah. And are you live in city, or how far distance is your hostel to your house?
It is it is about 20 to 25 kilometer.
Okay. And in your it is, I think it is so laborious to go travel daily, I think, to
No,
hostel to college and to house.
yeah, it will be hard for me. I cannot travel daily. That's why I live at the hostel. Actually, know that government provide free hostel. That's why I
Oh,
have hostel.
and what is your dream? What do you want to do in your future?
Actually, my dream. I also want to work on my speaking skills. Okay, it's my dream. I want to achieve fluency. Okay, that
Yeah, yeah,
I want to speak in a good manner, like a speaker.
yeah. And do you want to, what is your dream job?
I don't want to do the job. Okay, I don't
Oh,
prefer. I don't prefer doing any
yeah,
job. I want to become my own
boss.
own business. You can say. Or I want to do something myself. Okay, whatever
Definitely.
I will do myself. I don't want to take. I want don't want to do the job anywhere.
Yeah. So I have seen lots of video where because you are doing very great. So tell me, give me some tips, give me some tips, because you are studying in English literature. So how to be fluent? How to be fluent in English? Could you please give me some tips? And my subscriber also want to know how to improve their English, because I am not experienced, because I don't have that much knowledge, because you are working on this literature, so you can say something. So tell
Yes,
me
yes,
how to be
definitely I will
fluent.
say something. And before saying something, I want to say to you something. Okay, and I know that you are really a good speaker. You are whatever you are speaking, then your sentence formation and your sentences are really good. Okay,
Thank you
that's
so
why.
much.
And as per my knowledge, you have already know that. Sorry, knew that. If anybody wants to learn English, we have to practice more and more. It is depend on practice. It depends on our
Yeah.
effort, how much practice you are going to take. Okay. And
Yes.
I have one key is only on practice, practice, practice.
Yes.
How
Practice makes man perfect.
practice makes
Yeah.
perfect. And
Yeah.
we need one mentor who can mentor me, okay, in
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
life. Yes, sir. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go in your life?
Yeah.
Just we need one mentor, okay.
Yeah.
And